This looks like a lipstick, actually a very fancy lipstick.
But inside is the finest German-engineered technology that removes hair instantly and painlessly with microscopic precision.
It just takes seconds, really, to get your whole face done.
And with an 18-karat gold-plated head, it's hypoallergenic and gentle on all skin types and tones. Flawless is the fastest, easiest, pain-free way to remove unwanted facial hair, guaranteed.
I'm able to get the smoothness of waxing without pain or redness.
A built-in light makes it easy to see and remove every single hair from your upper lip, cheek, or chin. No nicks, burns, or irritation. Just perfectly smooth, flawless skin.
I have little tiny hairs all over my face. Flawless is really effective. Without that peach fuzz, my skin is so smooth. My makeup goes on flawlessly.
Discreet and portable, so you're always prepared when hairs pop up out of nowhere. And unwanted hair won't grow back thicker. Dermatologist approved, Flawless is so effective it can remove hair from anywhere, yet gentle and safe to the touch.
I love that I really don't have to wait. There's no in-between times between when the hair grows back. I can use it every day if I want.
Flawless, the new gold standard from the experts in facial hair removal. Finishing touch.
It's as if there wasn't hair there to begin with.